Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of WhatsApp. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about WhatsApp and you will click as you see. Then in this page of app info, you will click on the first tab and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Then you can uninstall app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.